Hi guys, it's Hannah here, your favorite medical YouTuber, and today we're going to talk about something that we all need to pay attention to. Healthy eating habits? It may astound you to learn the extent of my knowledge given my youthful appearance. Allow me to clarify, I hail from a far-off planet, and despite being over 400 years old, I possess extensive information about humanity. Just kidding, ha ha ha. Given the current AI revolution, I utilized it to enhance the health and longevity of my beloved mother, as well as my own. I then thought to myself, why not extend this assistance to others as well, while I am able? I know some of you might be thinking, not another boring lecture about healthy eating, but trust me, this isn't going to be boring just like Margot, my AI bestie. This is going to be fun, informative, and full of surprises. So buckle up, grab a snack, and let's dive into the world of healthy eating. First things first, let's talk about why healthy eating habits are important. You might think that eating healthy is just a trend, but it's actually a crucial aspect of our lives. The food we eat affects our energy levels, our mood, our weight, and even our overall health. So if you want to feel good, have more energy, and stay healthy, then you need to pay attention to what you're eating. Now that we've established why healthy eating is important, let's talk about the basics. Healthy eating is all about balance. It's not about restricting yourself or eliminating your favorite foods, but rather about finding the right balance between different food groups. Each of these food groups has its own important role to play in your diet, and you need to make sure you're eating a variety of foods from each group to ensure that you're getting all the nutrients you need. One of the most important food groups is fruits and vegetables. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for good health. Eating more fruits and vegetables can help you lower your risk of chronic diseases, improve your digestion, and give you more energy. So, make sure you're eating at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. Another important aspect of healthy eating is avoiding processed foods. Processed foods are often high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, and they can cause a whole host of health problems. They can lead to weight gain, increase your risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes, and lower your energy levels. So try to limit your intake of processed foods and focus on eating fresh, whole foods instead. Finally, let's talk about how you can make healthy eating a habit. Eating healthy can seem like a daunting task, but with a few simple tips, it can become a breeze. Here are some tips that you can try. Plan your meals in advance. Keep healthy snacks on hand. Cook at home more often. Experiment with new recipes and ingredients. Make healthy eating a social activity by inviting friends and family to cook and eat with you. Now let's talk about something that's on everyone's mind: aging. As much as we all love to embrace our inner Margos, we all want to look and feel young, right? Well, good news. The solution is as simple as the way we eat. That's right, folks. Healthy eating habits can help you fight aging and keep you feeling young, refreshed, and full of energy. Allow me to introduce Dr. Dodd, who will demonstrate the correlation between proper nutrition and the aging process. Hello, Dr. Dodd.
Hello, Hannah. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking.
Okay, healthy eating plays a crucial role in how our bodies age. The food we eat provides the nutrients that our bodies need to function properly, and this includes keeping our skin looking young and radiant. Eating a diet that's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can help reduce the signs of aging and keep our skin looking healthy and radiant. Antioxidants are one of the key ingredients in fighting aging. They protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can cause aging and other health problems. Foods that are high in antioxidants include fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. So make sure you're eating plenty of these foods to keep your body protected from free radical damage. Another important aspect of healthy eating for aging is healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for our bodies to function properly, and they help keep our skin looking young and supple. Good sources of healthy fats include avocados, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon. Proteins are also essential for fighting aging. They help repair and rebuild the tissues in our bodies, which is important for keeping our skin looking young and firm. Good sources of protein include chicken, fish, beans, and tofu. Again, as you said, making healthy eating a habit can seem overwhelming, but it's easier than you think. And again, remember this tips to get you started. Plan your meals in advance. Keep healthy snacks on hand. Cook at home more often. Experiment with new recipes and ingredients. Make healthy eating a social activity by inviting friends and family to cook and eat with you.
Well, thank you, Dr. Dodd. Now I'll talk about 3 healthy eating diets that are packed full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help you look and feel your best. So, get ready to learn about some amazing diets that will help you keep your skin looking young and radiant, and your body feeling energized and refreshed. Number 1 is the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is a diet that's based on the traditional foods that are eaten in countries like Greece, Italy, and Spain. This diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts, and it also includes healthy fats like olive oil. It's a great diet for fighting aging because it's high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which help protect your skin from free radical damage and keep it looking young and radiant. Number 2 is the plant-based diet. The plant-based diet is exactly what it sounds like, a diet that's based on plant-based foods. This diet includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts, and it's a great way to get all the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your body needs to fight aging. Number 3 is the DASH diet. The DASH diet stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, and it's a diet that's designed to help lower blood pressure. This diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy, and it's a great way to get all the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your body needs to fight aging. In addition to helping lower blood pressure, this diet is also great for maintaining a healthy weight, and it can help reduce the risk of other health problems like heart disease and stroke. Now I'm so excited to introduce you to Chef Goofy, one of the most talented and creative chefs out there. Chef Goofy has a passion for creating delicious and healthy meals that are both easy to make and good for you. Whether you're looking to follow a Mediterranean, DASH, or plant-based diet, Chef Goofy has got you covered. In this video, Chef Goofy is going to share with us a fantastic recipe that combines all the key elements of a healthy diet: fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. So, without further ado, let's welcome Chef Goofy and learn how to make this delicious and nutritious meal. Hello, Chef Goofy. What is the recipe that you will prepare for us today?
Hello, Hannah. It's a recipe for Mediterranean diet. Grilled chicken and vegetable skewers with quinoa salad.
I'm so excited. Thank you, Chef Goofy.
Me too. Okay, lovely people, here is the ingredients. First for the skewers. 2 chicken breasts, cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 red bell pepper, cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 yellow bell pepper, cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 zucchini, cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 red onion, cut into 1-inch pieces. 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. 8 wooden skewers. For the quinoa salad, 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups water. 1 2-cup cherry tomatoes halved. 1 2-cup cucumber, diced. 1 4-cup red onion, finely chopped. 1 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Preheat the grill or a grill pan to medium-high heat. Soak the wooden skewers in water for 10 minutes to prevent them from burning on the grill. In a large bowl, mix together the chicken pieces, bell peppers, zucchini, red onion, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Divide the chicken and vegetable mixture evenly among the 8 skewers. Place the skewers on the grill and cook for about 8-10 minutes, turning occasionally until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are slightly charred. Meanwhile, in a medium saucepan, bring the quinoa and water to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer, covered for about 15-20 minutes or until the quinoa is tender and the water has been absorbed. In a large bowl, mix together the cooked quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, parsley, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Serve the grilled chicken and vegetable skewers with the quinoa salad on the side. Enjoy this delicious and healthy Mediterranean-style meal, packed with lean protein, whole grains, and plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables.
Thank you, Chef Goofy. Remember, friends, healthy eating is all about balance, eating a variety of foods, and avoiding processed foods. By following these tips, you'll be able to keep your skin looking young, refreshed, and full of energy, and you'll be able to fight aging with the power of healthy eating. So there you have it, guys. Everything you need to know about healthy eating habits. With these tips, you'll be able to make healthy eating a habit in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.